Okay, the prior video we discussed posting to the ledgers. What will be the next step? The next step, we need to prepare a trial balance. So again, all the ledgers that we have. And now, what does the trial balance look like? Trial balance contained every single account that we have and the ending balance only. So all the red numbers. So we could listing like this, and what they're missing unfortunately is the account number. And if the account number were to be here, you will realize that the trial balance is lined up in the order of the account, numerical order. So you will have 100 all the assets first, then liabilities, then you'll have equity, revenue, and expenses magically line up. Again, each account must have only one final balance. So you won't put all the debits and all the credits for cash. It will be more like, how much cash do we have on hand? Here they are. So why do we do that? And why is it even called trial balance? We are trying to balance out our debits and credits because trial balance helps to locate immediate errors that we might have. Is it totally full? Unfortunately not. There will be several errors that you may not find. For example, trial balance may balance even if you totally omit a transaction. One full transaction for a particular date was skipped, debit credits are both missing, we're still in balance. A correct journal entry is not posted, so you did post something, but maybe the account is wrong or the number is wrong. A journal entry is posted twice, you will be in balance, but it will not be correct. Incorrect accounts are used in journalizing and posting, and then you might have an offsetting errors in recording the amount for the transaction. So take a look at this example to get the error. Let me see. So that's almost like a multiple choice question. A trial balance will not balance if a correct journal entry is posted twice. You will be in balance. Double weight, but you will be in balance. Purchase of supplies on account is debited to supplies and credited to cash. And if it is an account, a credit should have been to accounts payable. But both are credits. So you still will be in balance, even though you have not paid cash yet. So your balance for cash will be wrong, and your balance for accounts payable will be also wrong. But trial balance will be in balance. $100 cash drawing by the owner is debited to the owner's drawings for 1,000 and credited to cash for 100. Oops. You will be out of balance. So you cannot have 1,000 in debits and then 100 in credits and be in balance. So that's C is correct answer in this one. And I'm going to take a look at the last one just to make sure, right? So pretend we're in the exam. $450 payment on account is debited to accounts payable for 45 and credited to cash for 45. Because the amounts that we did use in our journal entries are the same, 45, then you will be in balance, even though they both should have been 450 and 450 as well. So this is all that I have for the last step in chapter 2 on the trial balance.